Hi, it's Greg Hughes again with 90-Second Website Builder. Most of the time when you put a video on your website, you're probably using YouTube only because it's the most popular and it's really easy to do. There are other ways to put media on your website with 90-Second Website Builder. Another good way is to use what's called the Vimeo tool. Now, Vimeo is just another sort of YouTube type website. It's a place where people share videos online, and 90-Second Website Builder has a Vimeo tool built into it. I'll show you how that works. Let's go over to the Vimeo website first of all. I'm opening up a browser and going to Vimeo now. And at this website, you can see you can sign up, sign in if you're going to add videos, or you can just watch the videos that are on Vimeo. So let's go search for one. And we'll find a video that we can put on our website. Here's one here. So I'm clicking on it and bringing up this video here in from the Vimeo website. Let me move my camera down so you can see it. Vimeo has certain settings for each video that plays. Not all of them can be embedded, but most of the videos that you watch on here, and of course your own videos that you would add to Vimeo, you can share. And the way they do it is they give you a little button over here that looks like a paper airplane, and that's the share button. If you click on that, you'll get what you need. Now, since we're going to use 90-Second Website Builder to place our Vimeo video on the website, 90-Second Website Builder only needs to know one thing, and that is the ID number of this video, which is actually right here. You'll always see the ID number right here after the link code. So if I select this, they're going to make me select all of this link, which is okay. We can edit it down later. You can also see the number down here in this code, but this embed code is a lot more complicated. We don't need all of that. We just need this number. So I've selected this. I'm going to do a Control-C to copy that and then get out of this. So let's close this. And in fact, we'll leave the Vimeo website and go back to our 90-Second Website Builder. Here, I'm going to move the camera so you can see this a little better. I'm going to click on the Vimeo tool, draw a box of where I want my video to play and how big I want it to be. Double click on it. And just like with the YouTube tool, all I'm doing is I'm telling it which video to play. So if I do a Control Paste, remember, they made me copy the whole link. I don't need all that. I'm just going to use the number. So I'm going to remove that, and I'm done. Now, if there's anything I want to adjust, I can. If I want it to play automatically, or enable the badge, that is the logo, or change the color of the control, I can do all of that here. I can even fill the entire browser window and make this video be a background if I wanted to. So I'm going to click OK. Click F5, and here comes my preview. There's my video playing.
As a kid, I was always a practical joker, and I think magic was an extension of that.
So I'm going to stop that and close this preview now and show you a couple of other tricks. Let's double click on it. Again, we can adjust the size and everything with our box and change these settings. But what I'm going to do is show you how to use Lightbox with Vimeo, another cool effect. I want to display the video in a lightbox, which means I want the user to click on some kind of an image, and when they do, then the video will play in the center of the page in an effect called Lightbox. All I have to do is check this box and decide what image I want my user to click on. So let's just make it be, how about this? This looks like a good video button. So I'm going to say open. So now I've got an image, and I can decide how big I want the video to play in the center. So I'm going to leave it at 640 by 385 and just click OK. Okay, so now I have an image, and I can change the size of this. I can put this up in the corner like this. It won't really matter because the size of the video is something else. So here's my little image. That will trigger the Lightbox. I click F5. And now watch what happens when I click this button. There's my Lightbox. Let me move the video. Let me move the camera down so you can see. And you can see that the video opened up in the center of my web page in this Lightbox. Let me stop that. I can close that, and now we go back to focus. Let me do it again. I'm clicking the image, and it opens up the Lightbox. And it puts the video in the center of the page and sort of grays out the rest of the web page in the background. Just another cool effect. The size of it was determined in 90-Second Website Builder right here in the Lightbox settings where we had 640 by 385. So anyway, it's as simple as that. If you want to add a video from the Vimeo website, just use the Vimeo tool in 90-Second Website Builder.